emotions, we turn to our favorite songs to be inspired, elated, understood and, above all, entertained. As a device that purely serves as entertainment, the Creative Halo has a lot of potential. Thanks to its entrancing light show, it definitely keeps your eyes as entertained as your ears. What does that mean for the rest of us looking to be inspired, elated and impressed? Despite being highly entertaining, the $69/£60/129 Australian dollars Halo is missing the clarity and nuance required to bring vibrancy to your music. Design. Crafted in the shape of a small pill, the Creative Halo sports an LED array